How to remove AI-generated label on Instagram. Want to remove the AI-generated label from an Instagram post? There's an important limitation you should know. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Open the post where you see the AI info label and tap it. If the post has already been published and Instagram has added the AI-generated label, there may be no option to remove the label afterward. Instead, if you're creating a new post, go back to your profile and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Select your photo or video and continue to the final posting screen. Look for the Add AI Label option. If it's enabled and you don't want to add the label, turn it off before publishing. Also, keep in mind that Instagram may still apply an AI-related label in some situations based on how the content is detected or disclosed. Once you've reviewed the settings, publish your post as usual. And that's how to manage the AI-generated label on Instagram. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.